What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gill coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the NikeLab Essentials Tee. Let's get into it. Now for starters, I purchased this piece in an XL. I also got this in like a salmon colorway, so it's kind of like pinkish orange. Now this retailed at $40, and this is a pretty basic piece. I'm gonna show you guys the front. I'll show you guys the back. There's really not much to it. I would definitely recommend going true to size. I'm gonna show you guys a little embroidered swoosh that's right here, which is actually a pretty nice touch. I own a couple pieces from the Essential lineup. I have hoodies, I have joggers and pullovers. I actually only have one tee, surprisingly. And I think these are pretty fairly marked. It's just really a high quality NikeLab tee. This is 100% cotton. There's really, like I said, not much details to it. I would tell you that this is a tee that looks like it will hold up pretty well after being washed. I haven't worn this yet, so I still have the tag on it. And you guys can see the NikeLab tag right here. The little sideways swoosh. I would definitely recommend this to you guys, just like all the other NikeLab Essential pieces, like my hoodies, my joggers, and then I have the pullovers. Those all held up really good after wash. It's just pretty much a higher quality version of their Nike hoodies or joggers or whatever they are. Essential is just something that seems like it'll hold up longer and they wash better. And this is a little bit of a thicker shirt. This isn't like a normal standard Nike dry fit tee. This is something that's gonna hold up and last for a while. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll be posting a ton of videos on NikeLab and Nike Tech. Hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'm out.